Let us see how to apply the colored shadow to the text in Adobe Premiere Pro. So for that I'm going to use this type tool. So just click and then click on this program monitor where you want the text to appear. And then you can just use this selection tool to move this particular text, and you can see that shadow is already appearing. And let me explain you why this red shadow is appearing. So what you have to do is that you have to double click on this particular graphics object that was created for the text. Once you double click on this essential graphics panel is open, and in the edit tab what you have to do is that first of all adjust the size of this particular text. So you can see that this is the scaling property, so you can adjust this one like this. And down here you will find one shadow property as well. So by default it is unchecked, so you have to make sure that you check this. So you can see that as soon as I uncheck it, the shadow is gone. And just make sure that you check it, and then you can change the color if you want. So let us say you want yellow color, so you can select it from here, and now this shadow is in the yellow color. And there are several other properties that you can change as well. For example, angle of the shadow like this. And you can see that the location can also be changed, X and Y position. So based upon your preference you can adjust these settings. That's it. Thanks for watching.